The Lonely Soul by Raphael Armattoe. I met an old woman talking to herself down a lonely road, talking to herself down a country road. Child, you cannot know why folks talk alone. If the road be long, the traveler's none. A man walks to himself. If the showers of sorrow fall down like arrows, the lone wayfarer may talk to himself. So an old woman on lone country roads, laughing all the time, may babble to herself to keep the tears away. Woman, you are sad. This the same with me. By Raphael Armattoe. Thank you guys for coming to our channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Bye.